What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to be going over Baby Doge today, talking about some technicals, and we're also going to be talking about how this could definitely make people millionaires once we finally get this bull run coming back into play. So, anyways, hit that like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So let's talk about it. As you can see, Baby Doge is still going down. I don't believe we're at the bottom yet, but we are about to go back on an uptrend and actually retest this level up here. So we're probably going to retest the 1.7 area. As you can see here, we did top out there like a few times, actually, once here, twice here, three times here. So we really topped out three times here with Baby Doge, and then we finally went on a downtrend. So typically, whenever we do have these moments of retesting resistance and support, it's usually three times. Like literally, we'll hit that resistance three times. If we do not rise above it, then we will get rejected. Watch my video from yesterday. You'll see me talking about this. But yeah, usually with resistance and support, if we hit it three times and we don't rise with the resistance or three times, and we go down pretty much. So as you can see here, even with the support, that was one, that was two over there, that was three. Third time, third time's a charm. Boom, go straight down. Same thing with the resistance, as you can see. So now what we're seeing here with Baby Doge is the support that we were met at around 1550. So look, this is one time here. If we go back down about here, that would be a second time. And then if we try to rise back, but then get rejected again, then that would be the third time. And if we go all the way down here for a third time touching the support, then you're pretty much going to see Baby Doge going down about 1.4 from there. But anyways, we are seeing that the bulls are still in control right now of the market. So you can see the 24-hour market control in control by the bears. I mean, not bulls, but bears by 80%, showing that it's 80% bears. This is the 15M chart. But if we look over here at the 4-hour chart with the Baby Doge, it's going to show something a little bit different. You can see there's lots of selling here on the oscillator. And you can see that it's still the 80% bears. But you can see over here, this is all selling pressure, even though on the 15M chart, you see that we are having a little bit of buying coming in. But when you're looking at it in the grand scheme of things, we're kind of leveling out here with Baby Doge. We're kind of leveling out. And usually when you see these red candlesticks, it usually doesn't go on for this long, but it's a rare case. So you're probably about to see this go on the reversal to the upside pretty soon. But where is it going to go after that? Like how far? I don't know. No one knows how far it'll go. But to be completely honest, this is a lot of red candlesticks, and this is typically what you see before we hit the bottom. So I definitely think that Baby Doge is almost to the bottom. Like I said, I think 1.2 would be the complete bottom if we continue to go down. I bought some Baby Doge around 1.6. I will be continuing to buy more if we go down to 1.2. I will continue to buy lots more. But that's just my strategy there. And you can follow whatever strategy you want. But typically, I like to follow the strategy of buying progressively as it goes down and not just going all in at once. Like I just buy progressively. So, anyways, moving on to the next thing. I didn't want to do too many technicals for today, but I just wanted to show you where Baby Doge would be going next. But, anyways, look over here. We got about 4 quadrillion burned. Remember, we had that huge burn yesterday. So, lots of money burned inside of Baby Doge. And you are seeing there are whales selling out here. So, and I'm noticing there's a lot more selling right now than buying, but it's still a good thing for us because that money is pretty much just going to flow into the liquidity. It's going to flow into our contract, and it's also going to flow into marketing. So this is going to help out Baby Doge a lot. So, anyways, you're seeing 134 trillion just now left the liquidity right now. That's just pretty much from people selling out. They're taking some of the liquidity with them when they sell out, and then a portion of that goes back into the liquidity. But it just shows that there's a little bit more selling than buying right now. But anyways, we're still seeing money flowing into the contract, and we just now had a huge burn. So it's a win-win right now. So we just gotta wait until we get more of that money stacked up. But anyways, Baby Doge trending here on Twitter. You can see right here, right on the sides, 46K tweets right here in business and finance. Yes, in the business and finance section on Twitter, Baby Doge is trending. So that's actually pretty big for us. So not only are we trending there, we're probably trending everywhere else too, like Instagram, Google, everywhere. Baby Doge is always going to be trending. But another thing I want to mention here with Baby Doge is this going to make a lot of millionaires. A lot of people probably don't think that it's possible with something like Baby Doge, but I definitely think it's going to happen. But look at this. We're going to be releasing a wallet. We're going to be releasing debit cards, an exchange, an arcade, NFT marketplace. And the main things that you want to look at is the wallet, the debit cards, and the exchange. Those three things really have the potential to bring Baby Doge all the way up to 5 or actually 6Z1. 5Z1 is not something you want to look at for this year. It's not realistic for this year. But 6Z1, which is pretty much 0, 0, 0, 0, 8 zeros and then 1 at the end. But yeah, there's a lot of potential here to get to 6Z1. It's not 8 zeros, 6 zeros. But there's a lot of potential here to get to that area. And a way that this is going to make millionaires, if you think about it, $1,000 right now can almost get you like a trillion. It's like half a trillion Baby Doge right now for 1,000. But like if we do the math here, like you can just take $1,000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right now we're at like what 163. So that would give you 613 billion coins. If you do the math here and you multiply that by 61, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, that's $61,000. So you can turn $1,000 to $61,000. Literally, I don't know how long, but maybe by the end of the year. But if we get listed to all these major exchanges, that's possible. And then you will see Baby Doge at these huge levels, and lots of gains are going to be made. So there's really big potential here with Baby Doge to make a lot of money. And that's just off $1,000 at the current area we are at right now. But if you think about it, what if you waited? Like, what if you waited a little bit until it went down to 1, 2? Well, then that is definitely a good price to get in. Like, you really can't time the market. So it's really, difficult to say that you could get in at 1, 2, but it's really hard. But let's just look at where that we would be here. So this would pretty much give you 833 billion. So yeah, if you waited a little longer, you would get a little bit more. And then when you look at the perspective from here and you do the math, so this is 61 right here, this would give you $83,000. So yeah, that's a lot of money. And pretty much with 1 trillion coins, you would get $100,000 at the 61 area. And that's what we're looking at. That's why I really want to see. A lot of people say how much should they hold. You should pretty much hold whatever you're comfortable at losing. So, because that's what's going to help you not trade emotionally. Whenever you have an amount inside of your wallet that you really don't care about losing, it's just free money. You just leave it there. Then you're really not going to sell out, and you're not going to get emotional with your trades. But if you put your whole all your money or a money amount that you're like not comfortable with, like if you only have $2,000 and you put $1,000 in, you're not going to be comfortable losing that $1,000. So whatever you're willing to lose, put it in. If you only have 1,000 and you're willing to lose 100, then put in 100. You don't want to put too much in if you're not willing to lose it, because then you're just going to make emotional trades, and that's not how we do it. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over a few things with Baby Doge. And look, we are almost at 1.6 million holders. We just need to keep, increasing our holder size. But yeah, I definitely still have potential in Baby Doge. I definitely still believe that millionaires are going to be made. Like if you just do the math, you can see Baby Doge will probably make way more millionaires right now. Not even probably, but it'll definitely make way more millions than Bitcoin. I know it sounds crazy and outrageous to say. Bitcoin is already at such a peak right now that you're not going to see 1,000% gains inside of Bitcoin. You're just not going to see that. Like, yes, you may see it within the matter of years, but with Baby Doge, you can see 1,000% gain literally by the end of the year. But Bitcoin is so high and the market cap is so high, it's just nearly impossible. Just for Bitcoin to go up by 100%, it's going to have to add another 731 billion in market cap. That's a lot of money there. So yeah, it's got to be about 1.4 trillion dollar market cap just to see Bitcoin double. So when you look at Baby Doge, if you want to see Baby Doge double, you don't really have to see that much money being multiplied. Like if you just look at the 400K that we got in market cap, all we got to get, or I mean 400 million, all we got to really get to is 800 million to see that double. And if we're looking at fully diluted market cap, we just got to get to 1.4 billion. But we're really not even looking at fully diluted, because that's including stuff like the burn wallet and the other stuff like the contract liquidity. All that stuff doesn't really matter. But when you look at the grand scheme of things, from the 407 million market cap all the way up to 800 million, 814 million, like that's a double from where we're at now. And if you think about it, if we get all the way up to 15 billion, yeah, Baby Doge is going to do way more than double. It's going to triple, it's going to quadruple, it's going to go up by 10. So there's a lot of potential here with Baby Doge for the upside. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe though. And if you want to join the channel, definitely go ahead and join. And I'll definitely go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators over here, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the Mexi Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.